Denotation of the 10th house lord in each of the 12 houses in the horoscope. The denotation of the 10th house lord in each of the 12 houses in a horoscope provides insights into areas related to career, ambition, social status, and public image. Here is a general overview of the denotations. First house. When the 10th house lord is in the first house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image are strongly connected to their personal identity. They may have a strong drive for success and recognition, and their career may play a significant role in shaping their overall persona. Second house. When the 10th house lord is in the second house, it indicates that the individual's career and public image may have an impact on their finances and material possessions. They may strive for financial stability and success through their work, and their career choices may be influenced by their desire for financial security. Third house. When the 10th house lord is in the third house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image may involve communication, writing, or intellectual pursuits. They may excel in fields related to media, journalism, or teaching, and their success may come through their ability to effectively express themselves. Fourth house. When the 10th house lord is in the fourth house, it indicates that the individual's career and public image may be closely connected to their home, family, and emotional foundation. They may find success in fields related to real estate, construction, or working with the public, and their career choices may be influenced by their desire for emotional security. Fifth house. When the 10th house lord is in the fifth house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image may involve creativity, self-expression, or working with children. They may excel in fields related to arts, entertainment, or entrepreneurship, and their success may come through their ability to showcase their unique talents. Sixth house. When the 10th house lord is in the sixth house, it indicates that the individual's career and public image may involve service, health, or working in a structured environment. They may find success in fields related to healthcare, administration, or public service, and their dedication and attention to detail may contribute to their professional achievements. Seventh house. When the 10th house lord is in the seventh house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image may be influenced by partnerships and collaborations. They may find success in fields related to law, counseling, or working with clients, and their ability to establish strong partnerships may play a crucial role in their professional growth. Eighth house. When the 10th house lord is in the eighth house, it indicates that the individual's career and public image may involve shared resources, research, or transformative work. They may excel in fields related to finance, psychology, or occult sciences, and their success may come through their ability to navigate complex and deep-rooted issues. Ninth house. When the 10th house lord is in the ninth house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image may involve travel, higher education, or working in a global context. They may find success in fields related to publishing, academia, or international business, and their career choices may be influenced by their desire for intellectual and spiritual growth. 10th house. When the 10th house lord is in the 10th house itself, it amplifies the energies of career, ambition, and public image. The individual may have a strong drive for success and recognition, and their professional life may play a central role in defining their overall life path and purpose. 11th house. When the 10th house lord is in the 11th house, it indicates that the individual's career and public image may be closely connected to their social networks and friendships. They may find success in fields related to networking, technology, or working in groups, and their ability to build a strong professional network may contribute to their achievements. 12th house. When the 10th house lord is in the 12th house, it suggests that the individual's career and public image may involve seclusion, spirituality, or working behind the scenes. They may excel in fields related to research, healing, or charity work, and their success may come through their ability to work in solitude and connect with their inner guidance. Please note that these are general interpretations, and the specific effects may vary based on the overall chart and planetary aspects.